Yeah, what's up guys? So I'm going to do a windbreaker test. I've got my Boya microphone and this one has the fur windshield, and I have another microphone with the foam windshield. So we're going to test them out on the bike, see which one is more effective. Let's go. So I wonder if we can still hear me or if it's completely gone. Hey, I don't know how good this is. I don't know if you can still hear me. But I'm going to pull over now. And we're now going to change it to the foam windshield. Yeah, we'll change it over to the foam windshield and see what happens. So this is now the foam one. Let's see how well this works. Don't know if you can still hear me whilst I speak on this, or if the sound is just muffled by the wind. So I've now used both of the windshields and I'll check it out, see which one was more effective. Now I know that was a bit of an extreme test because I was going quite quick, so there was a lot of wind, but at least we got to find out like how much we can push them before it goes a bit unclear. So yeah, it was a bit unfair test, but I do think the fur windshield worked better. I think that was the winner here. So yeah, we'll see how it goes in future videos. Thanks for watching.